Hello and welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today, the video is about Heavy Hitcher from Hot Wheels. It was designed by the talented Ryu Asada. This tow truck made the first appearance 2019 from the series Hot Wheels Metro Mini Collection. As I have already unboxed this diecast, and you can check out the unboxing video in my latest short video. This tow truck painted in two colors, one is blue and turquoise. It features a heavy bumper at the front and the detailed headlights. The body color is a blend of these two shades. It also sports a number 24, which I believe signifies the year 2024. The year it was released. This is just an estimation, but overall, the truck looks really cool. One of the best part about this diecast car, which I always appreciate, is its movable components. So let's talk about its feature. It has a movable tow hook that can adjust up and down, allowing it to latch into any diecast car. That movement is one of the best features of this Heavy Hitcher from Hot Wheels, as I have tested it with two cars such as Toyota Supra, which is in red color, and 74 Escort RS 1500, and it performs exceptionally well. The way it tows the diecast car is impressive, and I really enjoy it. That's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. Are you already a part of Chill with Sabi community? Thanks for your support. Don't forget to watch my other videos and share them with friends. Let's expand the Chill with Sabi community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.